For leverage, yeah.
What's his name?
Bingo.
Bingo.
B-I-N-G-O.
B-I-N-G-O.
B-I-N-G-O. Bingo was his name. Oh. And it's a WWE Slam Fest. It's Bingo against Purple Jade. And
If I just leave this there, maybe they'll try to.
And go run.
If I do this, maybe it'll. Okay,
Alright, let's walk away. Because then they'll follow sometime. Come on. Come on.
Or I could do this. Exactly. Now Bingo wants to get the ball, so he's gonna start running. Short attention span dog who's hunting. I don't get it. I just don't get it. He's a short attention span and he's a hunting dog.
Well, they'll sleep tonight.
Or in the car.
for sure.
You,
This
Brian,
this
you do
makes
the
her
same.
very docile and easy to handle after on the walk home.
Oh, yeah.
The walk here is usually requires chiropractic care after.
Oh, he's up for a lead.
Clumsy.
He went
Somebody's clumsy today.
Dash out.
Nice.
Dash out.
That was a cute little dash
I like dash out. I don't think they want to come here right now. Dog versus dog.
Safe to say they're going to both be sleeping like babies later. And Purple Jade is on top again. Oh, and here comes the Dachshund. The dash.
Hey!